Alright, what is up guys? Welcome back to another video. We are just taking a quick look at Ethereum here, and as we can see, looking like it's essentially a game of Fibonacci for Ethereum. Pretty obvious right now that we are essentially we've been chopping sideways for Ethereum for a long good while now, really, haven't we? And I mean, you could argue essentially, in my opinion, that Ethereum has pretty much been going sideways ever since here, really, back here. You know, we came down to around $1,000 around June last year. And you can see really we have just been kind of chopping sideways, coiling up, not doing too much for Ethereum. Really in a good while here. You can see we still haven't broken out of its bear market resistance that I did draw in there. Let me just see how far this is currently down from the all-time high. Down around 66% from the all-time high. So definitely a good bounce off those lows, just like a lot of cryptos have been doing. But Ethereum as of yet, to break out of its bear market resistance. You can see here, this resistance trend line here, you can see it very clearly. Resistance and resistance there. We are currently sitting quite close to it, and it looks like we might be heading towards it if we do keep, heading sideways and coiling up like this. Also sitting under this resistance of the 0.38 Fibonacci, sorry, which has been respected fairly well so far, as you can see. Pulled the Fibonacci from the bull market high to the current low of the bear market down here, and you can see we came back up here for Ethereum, a little bit of consolidation bouncing around. We came back up here, we got resistance, support, resistance. We get the continuation up towards the 0.50. A little bit of a front run on that. We got rejected, came back down, and then we got stuck under the 0.38 a few times here. We came back down, chopped up around the 0.23 Fibonacci for a good while here. Got the bounce straight up into the 0.38, and then obviously the FTX collapse happened. We came down, lost the swing low, consolidated for a good while inside this range here. But we didn't come down and make a new swing low like Bitcoin did, which is interesting. So Ethereum and a lot of other layer 2, layer 1s, etc. Polygon. We've got Quant as well. All of them showing quite a lot of resistance to the downside in comparison to some cryptos, which did make lower lows and lower lows and lower lows in that kind of period of time. Really, we've seen Ethereum. It's doing okay, isn't it? It's really it's showing quite a lot of strength. I think quite a lot of people are looking to pick up Ethereum a fair amount going into the future. But you can see here, we had that nice little consolidation in that range that I talked about here, with the low, the high, the low, the high, consolidated pretty much exactly mirroring what Bitcoin did. And then we've ran up here, broken past the 0.23, ran straight up to the 0.38 Fibonacci. And since then, we've just been consolidating under resistance, haven't we? Which is really bullish in my opinion. When you do consolidate under resistance like this, you usually do break it. And it looks as though, in my opinion, that we're probably going to see Ethereum come up and smash through these two levels of resistance pretty soon. That bear market resistance and that 0.38 Fibonacci level. And if that is the case, we're definitely going to see Ethereum having a very nice move to the upside, in my opinion. I do think Bitcoin as well is looking like fairly bullish from what we can tell. It's kind of consolidated, but it's not really lost much price action to the upside at all. And if we do see ourselves heading up for Bitcoin, we also know that Ethereum is going to have a nice little run itself. But right now, I would say this is looking pretty bullish in my opinion. The way that we're consolidating under this resistance a lot here. It probably says to me that if we can break this level, then we're probably going to head up to that next swing high, which would probably be up here really. Because we'll be probably flying past this level, straight up to the next level here, swing high. And that would be at the 0.50, wouldn't it? At around $2,000. Obviously a big psychological target as well. So really that would be my analysis for Ethereum today, guys. Keeping it short and sweet and simple as always. I do think we're probably consolidating here for a bit of a bounce, a bit of a breakout and continuation to the upside, in my opinion. So please like and subscribe if you haven't already, as always. And if you do want to support the channel, please do consider becoming a YouTube member by clicking the join button down below. You'll get access to our private Discord, where we'll be hanging out most days along with other investors, just talking about where the markets are going, etc. So if you do want to get an edge on the markets and support the channel, that would be a good way to do so. And I'll see you in the next video.